Welcome to all my dear student. This session I am going to discuss with you about buffer action. Buffer action is nothing but the solution. Buffer solution uh, is added to the acid or base. So there is a resistant to any change in its pH value. It's nothing but buffer action. Otherwise we may define as the property of buffer solution is to change is to resist any change in its pH value even when small amount of acid or base is added. Is it known as buffer action? So hydrogen ion concentration, like pH of hydrogen and pOH of hydrogen, pH and pOH. Here let us take an example for that to find out the buffer action. So pure water is considered to ionize to a small degree as per the following equation. So here water dissociate into H plus and OH minus. Here K is the constant, so we can write it as like a K, H plus and OH minus divided by water molecule. So here uh, K here KH2O is nothing but we may write it as KW. It is nothing but ionic product of water. So suppose if we rearrange this equation like this, then KW or KH2O and H plus OH minus. So KW is nothing but here the water can be signed by KW and H plus OH minus. So the ion product constant Kw is expressed by involving only the concentration of ionic species on right hand side of the reaction, and it has a constant value at 25 degrees Celsius into 1 into 10 to the power of 14. It can be represented like here the pure water has equal concentration of ionic species on so what is the constant value at hydrogen ion means 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Like what is the constant value of the hydroxyl ion 1 into 10 to the power of 7. So overall that both hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion can together to form a 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Minus 14, this is the value for both hydrogen and so the hydrogen ion concentration is greater than hydroxyl ion. So the base acid or base is added to water. So the value of hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7 gram ion per liter. We'll see when if we are preparing the acid solution, there is a hydroxyl ion is greater, hydrogen ion is greater than that of hydroxyl ion. In case of alkaline, so hydrogen ion is less than hydroxyl, and in case of neutral solution, both hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion becomes no equal. Okay, thank you.